Hi guys.
Good morning, day 2. It's west
Ay, nga
facing.
na dyan.
It's there.
Maling side pala tayo. Sunset dapat pala yung inabangan natin. Also, zoom in tayo dun sa dogs na yan.
Very wrong. Very wrong.
Ano ba ang sunrise?
Pauline. Hi, good morning. We're here at the beach. Look at that.
So cute niya. So fun lang.
Cutie!
Sabi muna ni Mommy.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Good morning, day 2.
Taking over Francine's camera.
Yes, because they are taking over
Yan lang yung
the kitchen. They are the cooks today. Look at that. Saing queen. Oh, it's so bango. LJ, what can you say? How many garlic did you pokpok today?
How many garlic are there over?
But lessons for later.
Oh, that's for later. Look guys, we are so domestic here.
May soap
Oh,
sa
I'm
dito.
sorry. Where go?
Yan, yan.
Oh.
Parang
May
kung
label
din
yan. May label yan na dish soap.
Sana all.
Dry rice ang gusto na.
Oo nga, hindi pala yun akin.
Pag dry rice, like,
Hindi, kasi kung ano man finger mo,
Oh.
dapat lang pareho yung bigas saka yung water.
Ito, tama to.
Dito kasi yan, diba, imagine mo yung water, diba, dapat pantay yung height ng rice dun sa height ng water on top of the rice. So, ganun ka. Sa tong thumb, ibababa mo. Yan yung height ng yung rice. Kulang pa yung water mo.
So what are your plans today, Moni, after eating breakfast?
We're gonna prepare. We're gonna take
Tapos?
a bath. Tapos magsa-soft curl.
Really? Yeah, she will teach me. No, she will do it. Alan, say hi.
Hi.
Sorry naman niya.
So we're gonna do a house tour.
Yes.
Here you can see the
Confession room.
confession room of bahay ni Ate Chin. So this is the common area.
Yes.
Diyan naglalaro yung mga iPad
Yeah, yung
kids.
mga iPad
ng
kids,
mga-
ayan, no.
Tapos may food pa sila, so very spoiled.
Hindi pwede magutom.
This is the dining room. That's LJ making the garlic rice. Oh my gosh,
Bakit mo naman yung ginamit mo?
Ayan.
Si
Huwag niyo
Chin.
papansin yung away nila.
yung ref namin.
Ano naman?
Kasi ito sa
Ayan.
baba, meron din.
Meron din dyan, ano po.
Yung tubig, dalawa. Yung soju, 4. This is the living room.
Yeah, the living room. They have lots of card games. Oh my God, saving files.
Nagka-break yung house tour dahil nalobat yung camera.
Hi guys!
Saan tayo?
Living
Living room,
Okay,
ayan.
living room. So, di ba, ano, yeah.
Yeah. This is our living
This
room.
is our living room.
It comes with our Tres Marias.
Yeah, no!
And the Three Musketeers. Barbie and the Three,
Three Musketeers, yes. Nice save.
I will evil edit. Chin pa sensor na lang pag i-edit mo. And that is our room. As you can see, Chin, i-edit mo to, malaki to. Yan. This is Allen. This is our dearest Francine.
This creation, it's by Money Salon. You know, the only requirement, you bring socks.
Akin ba yan?
Gosh, it's raining so hard. Change of plans.
Marami siyang chairs that
Saan lang kami ngayon?
Tapos may...
Knock knock. Yes, there. Dapat sa Marine, pero grabe siya ulan. So, we ended up here.
So, ayun, excited pa naman ako guys for their kare-kare. It's okay, things happen. Pero grabe talaga yun.
Para kami makapasang 6 years.
So, hindi June.
What's your food, Ira?
Hi, it's crispy pork kare-kare.
And yours?
Mine is Lipsy.
Ang ganda mo. She's so pretty.
Wow! Single po ba?
Kaso waiting for... Hi, Pawi. What's your food?
Hi po, vlog ni Francine. This is pinakdakan. I don't know how to explain.
You.
Hi, Femsing. Sports sinigang. My
Pork sinigang. Alan, what's your food?
Sizzling squid. The roast squid na lang siya right now.
Je, what's your food?
I have sweet and sour pork.
Oh, here. Okay. LJ, what's your food? Sorry, magsasalita ka. Sinigang. Okay. Tingin ka dun sa beach. Tingin sa beach. Yan, ganon. Yan. Guys, this place is so cute. Nasa ano kami? Seapods. Lagi ko nakakalimutan natin tayo. Ang cute ng place.
And aesthetic.
Look at their smoothie bowl! So cute. Ooh, look at this. Food tasting with Pawi.
Hi, vlog me, Francines. Today, we're at Seabuds in San Juan Beach, a surf resort. LU. This is Funky Monkey. Oh my God! Kalasa niya yung jamba na peanut
Kalasa?
butter. Natutuwa ako.
It's very Pawi. You would love this.
FYI po sa viewers ni Francines, I love yung jamba na peanut butter mood.
Malasa ng favorite ni
Peanut
Pawi.
butter mood.
Taste test.
Dami naman ng taste test.
Ang plastic mo.
Ganun din same vigor, same.
Ano lasa?
Parang lasang healthy. Jamba juice.
Jamba juice.
Lasa ng jamba yung ano.
Super.
Taste test, Arimony.
So this is summer day. Ay, summer
What
day.
is it? Like strawberries?
Strawberry, banana,
Mango. Mango ba yan?
pear.
Yay! Ang sarap daw lahat. Ano lasa?
Healthy.
Yung sa amin natin hindi.
Parehas na yung sinabi.
Okay, what's that?
This is strawberry matcha.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, they're so pink. Look at this.
Yeah, it's very Barbie.
Let's see.
Pa-edit na lang.
Yung mukha.
Guys, the strawberry is very prominent. So, medyo hindi ko masyadong lasa yung matcha. Pero like, it complements naman. Although,
Kasi
yes.
pero may strawberry pa sila.
Oh, yun. May strawberry sa ilalim. Like, strawberry bits.
Hindi ko na na-review yung kay LJ kasi
Ano ko na
review. Yan yung review.
Ano yung
Ano yung
ilalim?
sa'yo? Dirty matcha.
Oh my God.
Okay. Ano mukha yan, Ali?
Na-food coma na pa.
350.
350.
Lang. Oh, kaya natin yan. 350. Nag-pair pa yung pinakang weak shit sa pag...
Ayun nga, medyo wrong ano.
Pero same kasi kami ng taste. So parang...
Ay, oo nga, pareho kayo na.
Oo nga.
pag-scoop na... Parang kanina gumaganda
Tingin
lang.
na lang sila.
Hi guys! Vlog takeover dahil nagpipicture sila doon. So, tapos na kami magpicture.
Look at our,
Grabe guys, we really enjoyed this one.
Devoured. Ate and left no crumbs.
Like, gusto ko sana mag-order ng one more pa, kaso sold out na daw. Siguro sobrang dami din talaga nilang like customers sa Pati very worth it talaga.
Very refreshing, very healthy.
Like, gusto ko pa i-try yung other, yung flavors. Pero na-try naman namin yung mga in-order din nila.
Paradise.
Ano bang sabi kanina? Sold out daw.
Should you available? Baka walang papaya.
Bakit yung papaya talaga yung feeling
Kasi
mo wala?
papaya yung nalagyan niya.
Yun nung paradise?
Oo, papaya talaga siya.
Like,
Hindi
as
siya-
in, hindi ganito.
Oo, papaya yung bowl niya.
Interesting. Alam niyo ba, Chebia, January 14, unang
Hi,
nagsabi.
Pawi.
Hi! January 14 siya nagsabi na mag-LU kami sa birthday week ni LJ at Chin. At ngayon, nandito na kami.
Manifested.
No.
I-edit ba agad ni Chinto? Hindi naman. Oh.
So baka i-play niya yung video.
Ayun nga, pinaplay niya ata yun. Bakit magme-message ka?
Hindi, yung about sa...
Paano kaya yan? Paano kayang masisingit dito yan?
Pero kasi mag-edit siya, matagal pa. So, di naman niya siguro to-view video isa-isa.
So, ayun guys,
Sige,
bye
secret
muna.
na lang yan. Chini may
Bye!
Hi, we're here in Kapsat.
Good evening. Sobrang low-cut na ako.
Good evening. Andiyan.
Hi, Francis.
Guys, hi!
Nakatala lang siya.
LJ, hi! Pawi, hi! Money, hi! Ganda ng lighting mo dyan. Ano yung sa akin? Shaka.
Mine is haunted. Okay, let's hear the... Anong lasa? Hindi ko na siya nag-cheers.
Sorry!
Magbawas na pa yung 12.
Sa akin last
Matapang ba?
Matapang? Sarap. Hindi lang masyado lasing babe.
Pero okay lang. Siya matapang, which I like.
Baka gusto mo
But Joy, how's your
How's your
drink?
drink? Can show?
Here's my drink. It's the Coke. I think it's
Strawberry,
strawberry.
coconut milk, rum, lemon.
Yeah.
Sarap.
I think the main thing I can taste is, aside from the alcohol, is the coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
Hindi masyado lasa yung strawberry.
Lasa din,
Lasa.
pero mas prominent yung coconut milk. It's good naman.
Oh, mocktail na yan.
That's with alcohol, so hindi siya Matapang? Matapang? Pwede bang
Patawanin niyo!
Ano kami magkakandi ko lang nangyayari?
Magtinginan din kayo, magtinginan kayo.
Parang binublow yun.
Sorry, di ko kaya.
Kunwari binublow yung candle.
Awkward kasi mag-blow, walang happy birthday. Okay, parang awkward na. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Look at what they gave us. Thank you guys. I love you.
Everyone with longer hair than you drinks.
Ay.
Wait lang, lava pa rin yung... Ah, lava pa rin! Yung pet ko! Natunaw na ako eh! Nasunog yung pet ko! Okay na. Siya nga. Hawakan mo yung... ganun niya. Hawakan mo yung... Yes, God! Diyos ko! 1, 2, 3, yo!
Pantay na sila.
Nung tayo nag-workout ka!
Sino matalo?
Guys, we're leaving. Oh, bye house. Bye BNB. Say bye to the house. Bye house. Bye BNB. Hi, so we're here sa Great Northwest viewing deck ulit. Walang tao, wala masyadong tao. Maganda yung weather. Unlike nung first day namin, sobrang chaotic. Ang daming tao, tapos biglang umulan. Masakit ulo namin ni Ari. Masakit ulo mo? Are you hilo?
Yeah. Ganun talaga ako guys pag so.
Hindi ako nakapag-vlog last night, pero uminom kami. We played the drinking game. And soju ininom namin. So, sakit ulo namin ni Ira Marie.
Di ba? Ano bang?
Ano, Len? Wala pa yung guilt.
Ang sarap nitong grilled cheese. But mid lang yung coffee. Pinagsiksikan namin yung sarili namin doon. Ngayon, para kami nag-sauna. Hi guys. We just finished our workout. Uy, uy, uy.
Wow. Baraha.
Ba't pala di madulas yung ano mo dito?
Hala, ang ganda.
Parang yung sa design. Slide down.
Oh my gosh, look at the rain.
I do that really. Diba?